Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this video, we're comparing two powerful automation tools, N8n and Langchain, to help you decide which one is better for your needs in 2025. Let's start with N8n. N8n is a workflow automation platform that lets you visually connect different apps, APIs, and services without needing advanced coding skills. It's perfect for automating repetitive tasks, handling data between platforms, and building no-code or low-code workflows. Its strength is in integrating hundreds of services and allowing you to customize logic using JavaScript when needed. Now let's talk about Langchain. Langchain is designed for developers who want to build AI-powered applications using large language models. It allows you to chain prompts, tools, APIs, and memory to create intelligent workflows. Langchain shines when your project needs natural language understanding, reasoning, and generative AI capabilities, especially when combined with custom data or external APIs. So, which one is better? If you want to automate business tasks, connect apps, and streamline processes visually, N8n is the smarter choice. But if your goal is to build AI-driven apps, chatbots, or advanced reasoning systems, Langchain is far more powerful. In short, N8n is best for automation, while Langchain is best for AI logic. Your choice depends on whether you need process automation or intelligent language-based workflows. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.